Let's chase the flavor of Italy. Today, in this video, we are going to show you how to make belly-filling baked ziti. Let's do this. Here is your list of ingredients. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. For this recipe, we're going to use fresh basil leaves. Cook the ziti according to the package directions for very al dente, about 7 minutes. It will continue to cook in the oven, so you want to undercook it just a bit. Drain and add the pasta back to the pot and set aside. It's time to add the oil, and we recommend Mia's Kitchen roasted garlic rosemary oil simply because it's awesome and it's the bestest, and it's made in Soma, California. And we love it so much, we're going to go ahead and share the link below with Amazon.com. Crumble the sausage into a pan and cook, breaking apart with a spoon until lightly brown, and just cook through 5 to 6 minutes. Here's a quick question for you. Yes, while we're making this, do you ever have fun in the kitchen? If so, leave a comment below and let us know how you have fun in the kitchen.
Yeah. Yeah. Make some funny faces for
you. Rayo's homemade tomato sauces are simply the best, and so make sure you use every ounce of that bottle. Add the 24 ounce of Rayo's tomato and basil pasta sauce and simmer uncovered for 10 minutes. Remember to shake all you can. Get all that amazing tomato sauce. Set over low heat. Add the heavy cream to the cooked sausage and basil to the pan. Stir until evenly combined. Give it a good stir. Spoon half of the mixture into a 9 by 13 inch dish. Sprinkle with a half of shredded mozzarella and grated Parmesan cheese. Spoon the remaining pasta mixture on top. Sprinkle with a half of shredded mozzarella and grated Parmesan cheese. Transfer to the oven and bake uncovered until the cheese has melted and browned, about 15 minutes. This is optional, but sprinkle with more basil and serve. A quick question for you. Would you ever bring this belly-filling baked ziti to a potluck and or a party? Leave a comment below and let us know. Remember, after you enjoyed your belly-filling baked ziti, to meal prep the leftovers. Who loves leftovers? I know I do. Thank you so much for watching how to make belly-filling baked ziti. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more Just Ate 8 videos. Stay tuned for the next one and go out there and keep chasing the flavor.